Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today I'm performing a rear brake job on the 2005 Tundra SR5, and I would like to show you some detail which you should consider in the maintenance of your own Toyotas. So I got it off and I want to show you the main reason why we are performing this service. So if you look on this brake shoe, there is enough of material on it, right? That's not a problem at all. But the shoes are heavily cracked. Let me move this stuff a little bit away and show you the detail. Do you see these cracks? They are serious cracks, and that's a definitely problem, and this is a reason for replacement. I just switched them, so I will show you the other one, which was basically facing the front of the vehicle. Do you see these cracks? This brake shoe is thinner. It's approximately 2 millimeters, so that could be on the edge of recommending replacement, right? While the rear one was 3 to 4 millimeters. But look at these cracks. Why they happened? That's a good question. It might be too much heat or just bad material, and they were not under that heat condition. They were not able to, expand and shrink, and they develop these cracks. I don't know. He purchased this vehicle recently. You saw this vehicle in different videos, so we don't know the history. We don't know from where these parts came. The vehicle has approximately 188,000 miles, so I don't think these are original. They look like aftermarket, which were replaced in the past. See that? Pretty brutal, isn't it? So when I saw that in the detailed inspection, I recommended him to replace both sides, and I will recommend to you do the same in the case you discover this on your own Toyota. And that was just quick tech video for you on the Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.